fucking blows the tires up.
Didn't I tell you about Silver Surfer?
I fucking told him. Better driver got back right. And they don't want to bet until the motherfucker wins. Hey, man, it's the motherfucking pain.
Hey,
You 99. He do 99 and 1.
Say I went to the ATM machine. That week I won $3,500. Put that on Facebook, motherfucker.
Yeah.
The next week I won 18. Shit, nigga, put that on Facebook.
Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah.
Do that.
They ain't talking about that
They ain't
part.
talking about that.
Who that hit? Nigga, who you want?
Hold that at Silver Surfer.
Where you at?
I want Silver. I mean,
How much?
Hey, say, man, don't ask me who the fuck I want. I want that red. Hey, that's what I'm Say, hey, look. Bro, I don't know about this shit. Them niggas all on each other's cars.
Set up on the time.
Man, I don't know what's going on. They all on each other's cars. Yeah, I'm betting on the other one.
You gonna bet light or what?
I'm betting light. I want to bet 500. I'm betting just 100.
Oh, you just going 100 this time? You got Silver Surfer. All right, back up that way.
What's the game, man?
You know the race y'all been waiting on. We're gonna hold daddy, y'all. Oops, sorry. No, this is not the car they used to call Sancho. This hold daddy. Yeah, Sancho Gray, Malibu. Look at it. I'm right here. Oh, he requested 25. Ooh, wee. Look out. Oh, when there's a special grudge race, we go around the stage lane to skip everybody. This is the skip line. That's my boy right here, man. This the surfer. This the surfer, man. Y'all done forgot about the surfer? He don't play no games. Man, this is Silver Surfer, y'all. Tailpipe King. He still got the tailpipes on it. He still got the, damn, those some fat ass
I done
tailpipes.
had 3 people come off of $400 bets.
Damn. That's too many bets.
motherfucking blows the tires off that bitch.
Damn, man.
I'm daddy was trying to hunt.
Man. 7-7 for the win, man.
All right. No.
Where you bet at?
Didn't I tell you about silver surfer?
Yeah.
I told you about silver surfer.
Yo.
I told my boy. I fucking told him. I'm glad we got off that shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm trying to save you. That shit. He got off. He got off.
That girl been running all day.
They come let's set up, man. Y'all have to pray hard.
I had Funky Town with the straight up. Funky Town, tell me.
What Funky Town say?
Oh, Lord, man. Bring it back around.
What happened?
I bet y'all won. Okay, bring it back around.
That bitch is a gun. That bitch is a gun.
Bring it back around.
That bitch is a gun.
Yeah.
He done
Yeah.
sucked on that bitch.
Hey,
He done sucked on that bitch.
you just
That bitch is on fucking camera.
Hey, oh, now he wants to bet. Now he wants to bet. Last night. Now he wants to bet. Now he wants to bet.
That's a weak bitch.
Yeah, it is. It is. Man, I would have lost him.
We got the Corvette. Beautiful Corvette.
What happened, man?
Man, they both blows the tires off, but the better driver got back right.
And they don't want to bet until the motherfucker wins. Then they want to bet something.
Yeah, I couldn't find no bet,
Ain't got
man.
no money until it's over with.
Go ahead, baby.
Hey, man, it's the motherfucking page.
I take what I got though.
He got me in a whole argument with my camera. And look at that.
Yeah, no, that's good. Look,
We not talking about this, though.
can't keep fucking at people. Slow down now. Slow down, you.